Hi guys, today I'm going to make an ancient Egyptian project. Today for this we will use a rectangular piece of thermocol and an A3 piece of paper. It can be yellow or orange, but it has to be a colour for the sand. Now that we have finished sticking the A3 sheet onto the thermocol, we will now move on to our pyramid. I have now drawn the net of a pyramid, and in the middle I have drawn a square which has 10 centimeters on each side. It is red marked so you can see. On each side of the square you can see a triangle marked blue, which is also 10 centimeters. On two triangles, there is a tab marked purple, which can help us stick all this together. Now I have started cutting out my net of the pyramid. Now that I have finished cutting the net, I will now fold it so it will look like the shape of the pyramid. Now I'll start folding my net of the pyramid. I'll also fold the tabs. Now that I have finished folding my net, I will use this glue stick to glue the tabs so it can stick all together. Make sure that you glue the outside of the tabs, not the inside. Now I will join all the faces together using the tabs. I'm going to leave this side open so they can see all the treasures. Now that I have made two pyramids, we will put some treasury inside it to make it look like the tomb. You can either apply these gems directly into the pyramid, or you can put them into a pot and fix them inside. This is the reason why we made this flap. Now that I have finished making my two pyramids and sticking some blue tape on the borders for the River Nile all around, will be now finished. Enjoy, thank you, and keep watching my videos. Thank you, bye.